Hey guys, what's up? It's Turbo John. Welcome to my channel. One of the questions I get asked a ton is about my removable factory doors and what type of hinges we have and how it's made possible. Bryan made these really quick. It didn't take him but a few minutes. I'm going to show you what he did. Then check out the gap train footage from the GoPro that was on my car against John Dock and a solo pass at the end of the night. I just pulled the door off too. I've had a couple people ask about my door hinges. These are factory doors. They still got roll-up windows in them. I mean, they are heavy as all get out. But Bryan come up with this idea. I don't know how long he's been doing it, but it's a great idea. He took the factory hinges, and you can see we just cut it, put a bolt through it. I think that's a 7/16, flat spotted it, drilled a hole in it. That's where we put a cotter pin to hold it. So we did the top one like that and the bottom one. And it just basically, it just drops right in the hinge. And it is nothing to it. I'll show you how to make the hinge. Hinge is really simple to do as well. Makes it so you can use the factory doors and have it on and off. And of course, the reason we did that, passenger side does not come on and off, but the driver's side, this is a old trailer, so there's just not much room. So, you know, that's just, it is what it is. We had to get that driver door off so that I could get in and out of the car. Especially with me being as fat as I am, which I should be on a diet, but I'm not. I'll show you the hinges here. And you can see these are the hinges. These are the factory hinges, and you can see all he did, he just cut the top of it off. He cut the top off and then drilled the hole here to the right size to fit the bolt. Just did that top and bottom. And I mean, they do great. I mean, they hold up fine. I mean, it's pretty easy to do. It literally took him probably 15 minutes to do that. So he was jam up doing that. So that's my hinges and how that attaches. Something else that's missing, I don't know if y'all noticed, the radiator is missing. So right now I just got it looped over and it goes right to the back. The radiator, apparently it started leaking when we were at Galot. The last pass, there was water on the track. And where I have it bolted to the head, apparently when I was tightening the bolt down, my wrench got into one of the fins. So I mean, the radiator doesn't really do much anyway for this car. I mean, it does help a little bit, but it's one of those things is, I mean, very rarely do I even circulate. I just got water in the heads, just trying to, you know, take up that space and make it so there's no real hot spots. So I'm gonna probably leave it like this. I might end up getting me a little catch can, pressurized, it's got a radiator tank on it, or a radiator cap, so that I can, you know, more easily keep track of the fluid level. It's a little difficult to do it like this. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, I just have to take it off here, and then I take it off on here, and then I fill it up until it runs out of here, and then I quickly get it back on. But you know, there is no pressure relief with just a small block Chevrolet. So I mean, I've never, even with the other radiator, I never had anything in my overflow, so I think I'm okay.